Hi, Bradley. I just wanted to give you an update. I accepted an offer, and I'm honestly still in disbelief. I have a bit of shock. I'm very frugal. I accepted a position that I thought had room for growth. Decided to take lesser pay and thought it would go somewhere, and it didn't. So I'm just in shock. I have literally doubled my income, more than doubled my income. I joined Talent Stacker April 4th, and it is mid-July. Yeah, I can't believe it. I'm so incredibly grateful for you and the program, and also just you going to bat for me, being a reference, and just the community you've built. It's really incredible. You've changed my life, and I'm getting a bit emotional, but I really appreciate it. You're the best. Thank you. I work in commercial real estate. I've basically been training to be a junior commercial real estate appraiser. I think, you know what, I still love real estate, but I don't have to necessarily do that as my day job. I think it was really more, though, I wanted a better financial future, and I was just looking at where can I go after 5 years in commercial real estate, financially, professionally, where will I be with Salesforce? And it was just not even a competition, really. Like, the max that I would probably earn in commercial real estate after 6-10 years is probably what I'll hit in Salesforce in 3. I'm in the FIRE community, and I listen to the Choose FI podcast, and I heard Bradley's episode, I think when it aired, and I signed up for Trailhead then. I was so lost, and I don't even think I finished the first module. I just was like, I don't know what this is. I don't understand anything. Like, I don't know how I'm going to do this. And I gave up. And it was a year later, I remember, because I got an email from Salesforce saying, we're going to shut down your Trailhead if you don't log in. And Anita's episode aired, Choose FI. And I heard that because I was actually recommending Salesforce to a friend who was struggling. So I recommended maybe she should try Salesforce. Like, I tried it. It wasn't really for me. But here, listen to these 2 podcasts. And I recommended that before I listened to Anita's podcast. So when I thought, I don't like recommending something if I haven't done it myself. So I listened to Anita's episode, and then I was so fired up that I signed up for Trailhead again. I dusted off my Trailhead, and I logged back in. I joined the 5-day challenge, and that's all I needed. I just needed the system that Talent Stacker has. It's just like, do this, go here, click this link, and start this program. Like, and then next, do this. And that's really like all it was. I just needed the possibility of like, oh my gosh, look at what this girl did. Like, I heard this episode a year ago, and I sat on it. I didn't do anything with it, and she's acted on it. And look at her. Like, if she could do it, why not me? The reason I joined Talent Stacker is because, like, yeah, you probably can figure it all out yourself. You could struggle and get lost in the weeds because there's so much information out there. I was able to totally change my life in 3.5 months. So really, like, there's no way I could have done what I've done, at least in the time allotted, without Talent Stacker. I work about 34 hours a week. I have Fridays off. I don't have kids. So I basically, it's during a pandemic. So I went to work, I'd come home and I'd do Trailhead for an hour, 2 hours every night. Fridays, I wish I could say I actually used those as effectively as I should have, and I didn't, but I would still try to do like at least a couple hours on Fridays. Like, so really like just every spare moment I was doing Trailhead, but I was working. So it's not like, I had all the time in the world. But I think that having that plan that the Talent Stacker has, where it's like, what I did is I took that, they show you each module in the trail and they kind of give you the time you should do it. And I actually time blocked it. So I made sure like, okay, Monday, I want to get this done. Tuesday, I want to get this module done. And that really helped me actually stay focused, is that like, okay, if it's Saturday and I said I wanted to be here and I'm not, like, then I would actually spend quite a bit of time actually like working in Trailhead. I thought that the technical interviews would be the hardest, and that's one of the reasons that I actually signed up for Talent Stacker, was that I knew that there was the practice interview. It turns out I got a job before I could use it. So I guess it wasn't the hardest. The actual hardest one, I think it actually was the volunteer project. I really felt like we didn't have a lot of time. We had 2 people in different time zones, and I knew that this was the key to getting a job, was the experience. And so I really tried to put like all the time I had into that project. And it was tough just trying to coordinate everything. And there are times where I'd get stuck, like really, really stuck on something. But that's one of the great things about Salesforce, is the community. I reached out for help, like people I've met in the group, people just in the general Facebook group, and I can't even like believe it, but like I was on 3 phone calls in the span of a weekend with 3 different people. 2 I'd met at the casual meetup, and another one was just a total stranger, and they hopped on Zoom calls and they helped me, and I got unstuck. So one, like, it was challenging, and it really showed me the power and really just the beauty of the Salesforce community. And I know I sound like I'm in a cult, but I don't care. It's so true. Like, the community is so incredible. Everybody is so kind and helpful. I got the offer, a verbal offer first on a Tuesday, last Tuesday. And then we had a call on Wednesday where we talked salary. And they offered me a very, very good salary. But I'd always heard, you should negotiate first. So no matter what, it's like your one chance to like really bump up your salary, because every other increase from there is based off that. So I pushed back. I asked for 5,000 more. And I got 5,000 more. So I got this job basically from walking the interviewers through my volunteer project. I literally opened it up and they asked me some technical questions, and like at first it was kind of like, this is a really simple technical question. Do you just want me to show you what I've done? It changed everything. That first interview, it went from an interview to me showing and telling what I've worked on. And that was it. It was him asking me questions and me explaining it and demonstrating how it worked. And yeah, it was just like I saw behind the matrix. This is no longer an interview. Like I didn't mean to, but I somehow took control of this, and it was awesome. Start today. I should have started a year ago, but start now, right now. I literally more than doubled my income. I I'm still kind of in shock, to be honest with you. I was able to totally change my life in 3.5 months. So really, like, there's no way I could have done what I've done, at least in the time allotted, without Talent Stalker.